Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today, War Day number 658. 658 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Wednesday, December the 13th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 0 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have here two Jigsaw Sudokus, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. One with 4 stars, one with 1 star. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles, half of them I will solve in the evening. But first, let me start with the first one. The first regular puzzle is a medium Sudoku. And this one will be a number 7 6 oh let me see which number it will be. 7 6 no 7 6 come on 7 6 double 1. Yeah, 7 6 double 1. Okay, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But when you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars in the additional, it will be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, let's get started. Let me see, which number can I pick? How about the 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, only place level the 5 should be there. Then, we have a 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place level 4 and should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the first row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 8 in this big square should be there. Then the 8 in the first row, the 8 in the second row, so the third row, only to place level 8 should be here. Or there we have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then, then, how about these 4 missing numbers? Yeah, one of the missing number in the third row is number 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in the third row should be there. 1 6 7. Okay, so 3 missing numbers now in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 1 6 7 1 6 7 1 6 7 1 6 7. And look, we have 1 and a 6 in the last column, so no 1 and a 6 in this box. 1 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in the third row for number 7. Alright, 3 9 5. Okay, so, and now, let me see. I need a 7 here. Okay, well, 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8, 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. So we have a 6 in one of those two boxes in the first row, 6 in one of those two boxes in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Well. Cannot continue with the 6 now, need to wait. These are 3 missing numbers in this big square, other numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 359, 359, that means 1 digit left in this row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, yeah, 7 is missing. Alright, now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these two boxes. Yeah, 4 in this column, no 4 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So on the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4. It should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so the third column, only place left for the 4, it should be there. Cannot continue with 4 now, need to wait. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column, third column, for numbers 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing, 1 and 3, 1 and the 3, let me mark those. 2 boxes, so we have the 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Then, let me see. Need a 2 here. Come on. 9, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8, the 9 is missing, 7 and the 9, 7 and a 9. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So this box can be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9 and this box should be a 6. So 1 is left in this second column for the number. The 1, the 2 is missing. Alright. The 2 is missing. 2. The 2 there. Alright. We have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in this column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then it should be the 1 and the 3, okay. Let me see. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, only place left for 2 should be there. 2, okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 3 goes there. 1 and 3, we have a 3 now in this row. No 3 there, 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then, let me see. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. So, and now, 2 missing numbers in the first row. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. How about, need a 5 here. Need an 8 there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between, no, only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then. 1 and a 6, we have a 6 now in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1, 1. And 3, 9, okay. So, we have a 2 in the last row, 2 in a row above, so in that row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. We have a 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between, oh, we have a pair, 1 and a 4 in this column, 1 and a 4 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4, we have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. So 2 numbers left here, the 3 and the 5. 3 and a 5 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so in that row, only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the middle column, only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so the last row, only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and a 9, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So the last 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. We solve it again. Well. 2 stars? No. 1 star? No. Faster than 14 minutes. Should be at 0 stars. Well, it has more printed digits. Otherwise, it should be more than 27. For 1 star, it needs to have 27 printed digits. For 2 stars, 26. 3 stars, 25. 4 stars puzzle, 24 printed digits. Well, 0 stars. Because I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm very well pleased with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.